How to find belief settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find belief settings. First open VK and then click on your profile here in top corner. After that click these 3 points and then click edit profile, and once you're here scroll down until you find the beliefs, and here you can manage it. As you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.